You can never go back to street. Say goodbye, street.
I don't think I've ever seen you looking that nervous.
If the camera could feel my heart, it's racing.
Happy place.
All right, guys, we are super pumped to be here at the UC Berkeley Skate Camp, literally Vert Ramp. You might have never known that this is here because nobody did. It's been here for 20 years and they're making an amazing program to teach people how to skateboard. All kinds of skateboarding, but they specialize in vert. Literally, vert. If you don't know what vert means, it's when the ramp goes straight up and down, AKA vertical. So this ramp right here is 12.5 feet tall, right? Yeah, 12.5 feet tall. And so they have lessons and you can sign up, link in that description below. Go check it out at the skate camp, UC Berkeley Skate Camp, where people are learning how to skate and they're changing the world. All right, guys, we are here today at the Berkeley Vert Ramp with Will Cortez. Professional skateboarder, future Olympian of the Mexico team.
Yep.
We're just gonna future Olympian the whole thing. We're just going
Future
there.
Olympian. Stoked.
And we have no idea what we're doing. I just went to the skate shop and I bought these knee pads. You think these are okay?
Yeah, I think you'll be fine.
You think I'll survive?
Yeah, he's gonna run it.
I think the thing I need to learn first is how to slide on
Yeah.
my knees. You're gonna try and teach me some vert something.
Yeah, we're gonna do a early grab. Just get him started, work his way up.
He just throws that in there like I'm
in.
gonna do an early grab.
Yeah.
Probably
Getting
not
comfortable
going
on the drop in.
doing a... Man, okay. So what were you saying? He was about to start telling us what to do.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then we stopped him.
So when you warm up and stuff, you're just gonna start. You run up, drop your board down, and you just start kick turning, relaxing. And this is their warm up, so they're just chilling. So you just want to do tricks that you know you can do. So for Aaron, it'll be a couple kick turns and just pumping and getting used to the ramp.
Yeah, I was
all
gonna
these
say,
guys.
what if there's no tricks you know you can do?
Well, then you just start at the bottom, and you push, and you just bend your knees and hope that you're good.
First try.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Okay, so I just got my regular street board.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be fine?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no way I'm doing this. No way I'm dropping like that.
Let's go, Aaron. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh man, I feel like I gotta warm my back up. You gotta get that knee slide. Oh yeah, boy.
Any one of these can be thumbnails, Troy. I said any one of these can be thumbnails. How does it feel?
What? What? What are we doing? It's terrifying. I feel like I could do something though. I feel like I could actually do something.
Ready?
Ready for what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
Go.
try this high, because it's maybe this high,
Wait,
mini
do we
ramp
go
size.
straight into it?
Yeah, just
I feel
manual.
like you need to teach me the knee slide. Do I need to know something about that?
Not for this high.
What do you do?
You can go up and knee slide, just run up and knee slide and just feel how it feels. But right here is where you should try a frontside ollie.
Frontside ollie.
Yeah, and then work your way up.
Ollie.
Right there, that. anytime you like land, you want to stay low because you're super tall.
How's that real? Like I was flying.
How'd that feel?
Scary. I definitely need to get that knee slide because like I tried to put my ankle down and like tweaked it a little bit.
Yeah, so you just fold those ankles and just
Yeah, I did a little.
stay like that, yeah. That's it.
What do you think?
It's cool. It's super fun.
Moog? You dropped
like
in from right there already?
Yeah, it's like an adrenaline rush. Like, I'll go
Yeah, I
again.
still can't quite get that knee slide.
Oh. Yo. I love Mowgli's bails, like,
Same.
is the way to go. You guys getting ready?
No.
Feels like you're heaven up here, huh?
Yeah, this is my happy place. Happy place. Key thing to skating, relax. Anything you do on training, you just want to relax. If you fall, you want to relax so you don't die. Stay calm all times.
Woo! Oh, look, just for you, ready to go.
Landed it.
I don't think I've ever
camera-
seen you looking that
Yeah,
nervous.
If the camera could feel my heart, it's racing.
Is it really? You just standing
For no reason.
checking your heart rate.
I'm about 108 beats per minute just sitting here. 110, we're going up.
Oh.
Amazing.
Ready to see this airwalk?
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen the attempts.
You got it, dude.
Alright, so what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try 5. I'm gonna do a cab first because I want to get that spin, and then I'm gonna try it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Landed the 5 at the TF with us.
I've just been chilling, really. Like, been tired from yesterday. 2 days in a row skating, and this is the 3rd day, so it's been like all day, like not just like a little bit. So my body's kind of beat.
Oh, let's go.
dropped in. On the deep, on the right side.
Oh, yeah. That's there.
Oh, you all right? Yeah. That was sick.
Oh my God. Oh, he wants it bad.
Bailed that way too early.
I mean,
Oh, yes.
you can never go back to street. Say goodbye, street.
I guess I
I'm
gotta
out here.
start grabbing the board for my life. That dude.
Vertical vampire.
Okay, all I gotta say is respect to every vert skater because
Straight up.
y'all
guys are
think
amazing.
y'all think it sucks. When I grew up watching skate videos, I really thought I was like, oh, that sucks. No, it doesn't. It's actually, it's.
Y'all think it sucks? Nobody said that.
Hey, I thought that, but now it's different. It's the best.
Oh my God.
Oh, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're thinking about it. 100% you got that. You're the only guy here with an 8.5.
That's right.
Nope. 825 now.
Oh, then you can't do it.
Oh. That's what you got to do, Glow. Yes! Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
See, we just don't know Will well enough. Like, do we offer him a Jamba Juice, $100? How does this work?
I don't know.
Just not sure.
Yes, sir. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go, Will! Yes.
Last try.
If there's ever a cash prize, it would be now.
What did we do? I feel like that's so mean, though.
it's not. It's his last try.
I know, but you're gonna say $1,000?
Yeah.
$500.
What's the difference?
What's the difference? $500 difference. What do you mean? What's the difference? Double the amount? Maybe that's the difference. How do we do that?
Do whatever you want.
What do you mean with that? Okay, right here, $500. Look at how close he was.
I don't know.
Another day.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, babe.
That was incredible. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all the other ones right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, it's time for you to learn how to ride a skateboard. Let's go.